level, giving up is not an option. Some fight without me. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me I talk about an artist right now named Rutino Upgrade, because him drop a music video, my people, with the song called Energy. And me I tell my viewers and subscribers, the artists are going good, the artists are going great, because my viewers and my subscribers, from me say energy, you know, so we are talking about positiveness, my people. But just for 2023, my people, we are cut off a lot of things, my people. Maybe we give them a chance to 2022, my people. We say 23 is a different thing, my people. So energy, my viewers and subscribers, what me I go do, me I go on a preview of this music video with the song from Rutino Upgrade called Energy, then the attacking boss forward.
Give them the strength and me them take it fight. People not real and that me realize. Me see friends sell out. Gyal do the same, if you trust people, dog, when people fake, yeah. Mount of things where them chatter me hear a good things.
My viewers and subscribers, that's a preview of the music video, my people. So basically, Rutino make you know, so people, a lot of people sell him out. You have friends who did their own, my people, but in the end, them turn out to be fake. You have women who did their own when things are real, my people. In the end, them fake, them not real, my people. So the man make you know, so right now, he might go be stronger. That now go drag him down, that now go drain him down, my people. And him know with him energy, my people, he might go live longer, because you don't know, so the bad mind and the Edens, them want to see you fall, my people. But you and yourself know, so look, you know, you're going to be stronger with your energy, and you're going to live longer with your energy, my people. So this music, my people, was produced by H0W Music, my people, and it's no joke, my people. And Rutino make you know, so look at the man, you see Spain Town and Pine Hill, he might big up them place there in Jamaica, you don't know, so Rutino Upgrade place, so people. So I want you all, for my viewers and subscribers, don't miss out on this message for 2023, my people, because Rutino is a talented artist, my people. He might go places, because the man voice, everything about him, image, everything about the artist is just on point, my people. So you say the song Energy, my people, I want you all to watch the music video, the full music video, my people. So Rutino link it with NEWLINK. So NEWLINK, look at the man, we are give the people a chance, NEWLINK, because of you, if you see the full music video for free, no money, my people. All me I gotta do is just leave the music link right down there, so below the video in the description. Also in the comment section, I will pin it, my people, and you just click on it and go right over there and support the artist, my people. Show some love, you understand? Subscribe to him, Viva, my people. Leave a comment over there, make him know, say, you know, say the attacking boss NEWLINK send me over. So this one, my people, from the artist Rutino Upgrade, Energy, my viewers and subscribers. 2023, we need energy, my people. We need positiveness, my people. We need to go further, my people. We need to cut off all the Edens, them, all the things that wanna make sense for 2023. At the new year, my people, at the new gear. Rutino Upgrade, Energy, my people. Rutino Upgrade. Say energy, no man. Energy, Rutino Upgrade, my people. Remember, support the artists, support the movement, my people. 2023, all we need is energy and Rutino Upgrade, and make we know, support the movement, my people. Peace out. Attack.